Is your Xbox Series X failing to turn on, showing no signs of life due to a power supply failure? You're in the right place, we're fixing that right now. First, let's address the most common cause: loose connections. Unplug your Xbox power cable from both the console and the wall. Wait a full 60 seconds to allow any residual charge to dissipate, then firmly reconnect everything, ensuring a snug fit. This often resolves minor power interruptions by re-establishing a secure electrical path. If simply reseating the cables doesn't bring your console back, the problem might be with your power source itself. That brings us to our next crucial step: testing a different wall outlet. Move your Xbox Series X to another room or use an outlet you know is working, avoiding power strips. This helps rule out the faulty wall socket or overloaded circuit. Still no luck? Sometimes the console needs a deeper electrical reset beyond just changing outlets. This is where a full power cycle comes into play. Unplug the console again, wait 10 seconds, plug it back in, then press and hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds. Release, then press it normally to power on. This clears internal power caches, giving the Xbox a fresh start. If your Xbox Series X still refuses to power on after these software and power resets, it's time to physically inspect the hardware. Our final method focuses on thoroughly checking your console and power brick for any visible damage like frayed cables or burn marks. If you find any, contact support immediately.